Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you get the notifications, like the video, comment and share. In this video, I am going to discuss on Fourier series. Here, one example on Fourier half range cosine series I am going to do. That is, if f of x equal to x in 0 less than x less than pi by 2 and pi minus x in pi by 2 less than x less than pi, then show that f of x equal to pi by 4 minus 2 by 5 cos 2x by n square plus cos 6x by 3 square plus cos 10x divided by 5 square and so on. And you can observe here what I have to show that in that it is containing only cos terms, it is not containing sine terms. Therefore, we need to find here half range cosine series. Okay, therefore the interval is 0 to L is nothing but 0 to pi. They are given 0 to pi, which implies my L is equal to pi. Therefore, Fourier half range cosine series is given by f of x is equal to, for cosine series bn will become 0, Fourier coefficient only a0 and an will become, that is a0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos n pi x divided by L. And how to define these Fourier coefficients? I have to define one by one. Therefore, a0 is equal to 2 by L integration from 0 to L f of x dx. What is L? L is nothing but pi. Therefore, 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi f of x dx. But this f of x is defined in two different ways from 0 to pi. One is from 0 to pi by 2, another one is from pi by 2 to pi. Therefore, I will split it into two terms as 2 by pi into integration from 0 to pi by 2. For 0 to pi by 2, the function is x into dx, plus for second, that is pi by 2 to pi, the function is defined as pi minus x into dx. This one I have to evaluate now. That is nothing but 2 by pi common outside. Integration of x is x square divided by 2 between the limits 0 to pi by 2, plus for this integration is pi x minus x square by 2 between the limits pi by 2 to pi. Substitute down upper limit minus lower limits for both the terms, that is 2 by pi into upper limit, that is pi square divided by 4 divided by 2 minus lower limit 0, plus again x equal to pi into pi square minus pi square divided by 2, this is upper limit, minus lower limit pi square divided by 2, x equal to pi by 2, pi square divided by 2 minus pi square divided by 4 divided by 2. Simplify this. Now I am going to get it as 2 by pi into pi square divided by 8 minus 0 plus pi square, okay, plus pi square minus pi square by 2 minus pi square by 2 and minus of minus plus pi square divided by 8. And here minus pi square by 2 minus pi square by 2 will become plus pi square minus pi square plus pi square cancels. This is nothing but 2 by pi into 2 times pi square by 8. 2 times pi square by 8, that is 4 by 2. One of the pi will cancel. Therefore, it is pi by 2 is my a0. A0 I am going to get it as pi by 2. Now the Fourier coefficient an I have to evaluate. Therefore, an is defined as 2 by L integration from 0 to L f of x into cos n pi x by L into dx. But L is my pi, that is 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi f of x. I will keep as it is first, then cos of n pi x divided by L equal to pi dx, and here pi cancels. Now again 0 to pi, f of x is defined in two different ways, that is x for 0 to pi by 2 and pi minus x for pi by 2 to pi. Therefore I will split it into again two integrations as 2 by pi outside, integration from 0 to pi by 2. For 0 to pi by 2, f of x is defined as x into cos nx, plus second interval is pi by 2 to pi, and function f of x is defined as pi minus x into cos nx dx. This one I have to evaluate now. Okay, for both the terms I have to use the Bernoulli's rule to integrate them, that is 2 by pi outside, first term Bernoulli's rule, that is x into integration of cos will become sin nx divided by n, minus differentiation of x is 1, integration of sin nx is minus cos nx divided by n, already one n is there, that is n square. Okay, this is between the limits 0 to pi by 2, plus this integration, that is pi minus x into integration of cos will become sin nx divided by n, minus differentiation of this 0 minus 1 into integration of this is minus cos nx divided by n square. This is between the limits pi by 2 to pi. Okay, these two I have to evaluate for both upper limit and lower limit. Carefully I have to evaluate. Therefore, what I am going to get, substitute upper limits minus lower limit for term by term. That is 2 by pi, first term upper limit I will substitute x equal to pi by 2, that is pi by 2 into sine of n pi by 2 divided by n, first term, minus plus, that is cos n pi by 2 divided by n square. This is my upper limit for the first term, minus lower limit x equal to 0, first term will become 0, minus of minus plus cos 0 divided by n square. Okay, plus, okay, for this one upper limit minus lower limit I have to substitute. First upper limit x equal to pi, that is pi minus pi into cos n pi, sin n pi divided by n, minus 3 times cos n pi divided by n square. This is the upper limit, minus lower limit pi by 2, pi minus pi by 2 into sin n pi by 2 divided by n, minus into minus 3 times, minus cos n pi by 2 divided by n square. This is my upper limit and lower limit substitutions. This one I have to evaluate step by step now. Next, simplify this. I am going to get it as 2 by pi into pi by 2 into sin n pi by 2 divided by n. This term also I will write as it is, because cos n pi and sin n pi alternately they are going to change. That is cos of n pi by 2 divided by n square, minus cos 0 is 1, minus 1 by n square, and this is pi minus pi, this term is totally 0, and next minus cos of n pi divided by n square, this term. Okay, and here next term minus LCM is 2 minus 1 will become pi by 2. This is minus pi by 2 into sin n pi by 2 divided by n, and here minus plus cos of n pi by 2 divided by n square. And which terms are going to cancel here? Pi by 2 plus sin n pi by 2 and pi by 2 sin n pi by 2 divided by n, plus and minus. And here n pi by 2 minus plus and 1, sorry, it is n pi. Okay, this is two terms, this one, no terms are going to cancel. Next I am going to write my, therefore an as my Fourier coefficient an will become 2 by pi and n square common from all the terms I will take. Okay, into bracket what will remain, minus 1 minus cos n pi minus or plus 2 times cos n pi by 2 will remain. This is my required Fourier, required an. Okay, cos n pi also I can write, that is an is equal to 2 by pi n square into minus 1 minus of minus 1 raised to n plus 2 times cos of n pi by 2. Okay, this is my an. Now Fourier half range cosine series will become Fourier half range cosine series. Cosine series is f of x is equal to, okay, my required f of x is equal to a naught divided by 2. My a naught value is pi by 2 divided by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an is this whole term, that is 2 by pi n square into bracket minus 1 minus of minus 1 raised to n plus 2 times cos of n pi by 2 into cos nx, n pi x by l equal to pi, cancels. This is the required Fourier series. From this half range Fourier series I have to evaluate, expand this for n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Let me check what I am going to get. Therefore f of x is equal to pi by 4 plus and 2 by pi, so I can write outside 2 by pi. Now for n equal to 1, what happens here? For n equal to 1, minus 1 minus 1 raised to 1 will become minus 1, minus of minus plus 1 plus 2 times cos n equal to cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2 divided by 1 square into n equal to 1, cos x into cos x. Okay, plus this is for n equal to 1. Next for n equal to 2 now. For n equal to 2, what happens? Minus 1 minus of minus 1 raised to 2 will become plus 1. Therefore it is minus 1 plus 2 times cos of pi, it will become cos of pi whole divided by 2 square into cos of n equal to 2 pi. This is for n equal to 2. This term is for n equal to 2. Plus for n equal to 3, what happens? For n equal to 3, minus 1 minus 1 raised to 3 is become minus of minus plus 1 plus 2 into cos of 3 pi by 2 divided by n square. N square is 3 square into cos of 3x, cos of 3x. This is also plus next one will become n equal to 4. For n equal to 4, minus 1 minus, for n equal to 4, minus 1 raised to 4 will become plus. Therefore it is minus 1 plus 2 into cos of n equal to 4, that is 2 pi divided by 4 square, okay, into cos 4 pi plus so on. Let me simplify this. What I am going to check f of x equal to pi by 4 plus 2 by pi into plus 1 minus 1, 0, cos 0 is also 0. Therefore this total term, first term will become 0. Next term minus 2 minus 2 2 times cos pi. Cos pi is minus 1, that is minus 2, that will become minus 4. Minus 4 cos 2 pi is again plus 1 divided by 2 square. Sorry, cos 2x it is, n equal to 2, it is 2x, cos of 2x. Okay, plus next this is become plus 1 minus 1, 0, cosine 0, total this term equal to again 0. And here again for next term minus 1 minus 2 and 2 into cos 2 pi is plus 2, this is also again 0. Like this I am going to get, this is pi by 4 plus 2 by pi into cancels, and my first term is nothing but minus cos 2x divided by 1 square, like that minus cos of 6x divided by 3 square I am going to get, plus cos of 10x, sorry, minus divided by 5 square, plus so on I am going to get. Therefore minus is taken common, f of x is equal to pi by 4 plus, sorry, minus taken common, 2 by pi into cos 2x divided by 1 square I can write, plus cos of 6x divided by 3 square I can write, plus cos of 10x divided by 5 square I can write, plus so on. This is the required deduction what I have to prove. Okay, this is the end of this half range Fourier sine series. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications. Please like the video, comment and share. Thank you friends.